Hey, welcome to Travels with Dottie in today's positive news video, and it's another story from Steve Hartman with CBS News on the Road series. And this one is about a young millionaire and a young boy with $1. That's right. The story is that the young millionaire was in his apartment building or condo building, I'm not sure which, and the fire alarm goes off and he jumps up and he runs down the stairs and discovers it's a false alarm. But he's outside, he's up, he's pretty disheveled, mismatched clothing, doesn't look good, but decides I'm going to go down to the corner and get a cup of coffee. So he did that, and the security camera inside shows him as he just before he goes in, he goes on like the deck and porch and walks in the corner because he forgot to pray this morning. So he stood in the corner and closed his eyes and prayed. And a little boy walks in praying. And he opens his eyes, and the boy's hand is out with $1 in it. And he says, "If you're homeless, you can have this $1." Well, he was pretty moved by that. And he brought the boy into the coffee shop. His father was nearby, and he met his father, and he found out that he got the $1 for good grades, and it was the only money he had. So over the next few months, the two became good friends, and the little boy's efforts expanded. He discovered something, that helping others and reaching out unselfishly to others in a real way is selfish because it feels so good. It's like he discovered a secret, and he kept doing it, and now his favorite pastime is paying for people's groceries. So you want to see this whole story, in the description I'm going to put the Steve Hartman story, and I'll put it in a comment too so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching today.